In this video, I will show you how to set shipping zones in BigCommerce. Start by opening your BigCommerce dashboard. On the left-hand panel, click Settings. Scroll down, and under the Setup section, select Shipping. This will take you to the main shipping setup page where you can control your shipping origin, carriers, and zones. Under Checkout Shipping Options, click Add Shipping Zone. A drop-down will appear with three choices: add a country zone, add a custom zone, or add the rest of the world. For this example, let's choose Add Country Zone. A pop-up window will appear. From here, select the country you want to set shipping rules for, then click Submit. You'll then see your new shipping zone added to the list. From here, you can start adding shipping methods, such as flat rates or carrier-calculated rates, and adjust conditions depending on how you want to charge customers. Once your zone is set up, double-check it at checkout to ensure the correct options appear for customers in that region. And that's how to set shipping zones in BigCommerce.